Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Jeanette from the library. I just wanted to start by saying I hope everyone is safe and healthy. We are going to try a STEM activity today that you can try at home too. This activity is geared towards about 3rd through 5th grade, but if you work together as a family, the younger kids can join in too. I have my 1st grade helper here to help me today. So we're going to see how many pennies we can float in our foil boats until they sink. You can design your boat any way you like, and if you don't have pennies, you can try different coins, some buttons, marbles, metal washers, or anything else you have at home that you think will work. We're going to see which boat balances the best too. So we're going to start with the square boat.
Yeah.
And we're going to do 1 penny at a time so we can count just how many. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5.
6,
Good. 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12,
Don't worry if they pile up on each other. That's okay. We're up to 13, 14, 15. Let's see. Let's keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, still going, 21, and you can just drop it in, don't worry about it, 22, whoops, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30, 31, 32, 33,
oh, doing good.
34, 35,
Okay, keep going.
36, 37,
Oh, still going.
38, 39, 40,
40, still going.
41, 42, 43, 44,
All right.
45, 46, 47,
Oh,
48,
getting close.
49, 50,
Oh, still going, still going.
51, 52.
Oh, 52. Okay, leave it in there. We're going to try the next boat. 52. So when you try this at home, count how many you get and see how it goes. Leave it in the bottom. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, ready for the next one? It sank because it had too many pennies. So let's try this one too.
Blue.
1. Uh-oh, it's not balancing. 2. It's still going. 3. We'll try and help it a little bit to stay up. 5. That's 5.
6, 7,
Uh-oh.
8, 9,
Oh, I don't know.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Still going.
15, 16, 17,
Uh-oh.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Oh, it's getting better in there.
29, 30, 31, 32,
Uh-oh.
33,
Uh,
34.
oh, 34 we'll say. 34.
Oh, can I have
So-
35?
Well, we got up to 34 for this one. So if you try this at home, let us know what shape your boat was and how many coins it held, what kind of coins it was, or if you used something else. Let me know how many objects stayed in your boat before it sank. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll be at the library again soon.
Okay.